If you want to remove these grid lines here in Microsoft Excel, let's first just remove them from the document so we don't see them. Probably the easiest way is in the toolbar up here. Go to View, and under Show, you'll see grid lines. Click that, and they're gone. And if you print, they'll be gone as well. Let's turn them back on. So to remove those grid lines, go to View, then you go to Show, and you just turn them off. If you want to leave them on and only have them off when you print, so you want to print a Microsoft Excel document and you don't want the grid lines in it, here's how you can do that. Go to Page Layout, and under Page Layout, see where it says Print? If that's checked, they're going to print. And you can see, there they are. If we turn that off and then we preview, no grid lines. So if you want to always have them on in the document, but then when you print, you don't want them there, that's how you can do it. That's pretty much it. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.